Hello friends. Today we'll tell you about the updated 2025 Ford Tourneo Custom, a spacious, reliable, and modern minibus designed for both business and large families. The vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter diesel engine, delivering 125 kilowatts or 170 horsepower. It works in tandem with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and comfortable driving in all conditions. The real fuel consumption is around 7 liters per 100 kilometers in the combined cycle, an excellent figure for such a large vehicle. The L2 Titanium X trim includes a premium audio system, a convenient tow bar, and other useful features. The exterior looks modern and dynamic. A new grille, LED headlights, alloy wheels, and practical sliding doors on both sides. The interior doesn't disappoint either: high-quality materials, a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen with a multimedia system, well-designed seat ergonomics, and plenty of space for passengers. Thank you for watching us. A special thanks for the likes. We wish you a great day. See you next time.